Today we're doing a rainbow with clouds. I'm really excited. Get your art supplies ready. I've got my wonderful erasable pen. I love these. You can do your drawings and make adjustments along the way. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do with our rainbow is make sure that we've got all the right colors. So what we need to begin with is some lovely arches. So I'm going to draw 8 of these. So let's start in the middle at the bottom, because then we've got enough room to do them all. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, last one, 8, all the way down. Amazing. Next, what I'm going to do are 2 clouds, so you can make your clouds look however you like, as curly as you like, as round as you like, however you like. I'm going to make them nice and fluffy. Bring those 2 down together. There's 1. The next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Amazing. Now what I'm going to do is make sure that our rainbow connects to our cloud. So I'm going to bring it down like this. Oh, look at that. Doesn't matter if it's a bit lopsided. That's what rainbows are all about. You can make them look however you like. This cloud, I'm going to make 2 amazing big eyes. Smiley face, reflection dot. Next one, I'm going to make this guy winking here, and then another big eye, reflection dot over here, and then a little smiley face as well. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw some hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, and guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to make sure that they're holding hands. So we're going to connect them here. Oh, I love it. That is so cute. We're going to draw another hand over here, and we're going to do some little legs. Oh my goodness. Check these guys out. They're pretty cute. You don't have to have feet, but you can if you like. I'm going to bring his little arm bending up like this and go like that. I love it. Next, we're going to color it in, making some amazing colors along the way as we go. I'm going to fast forward this bit, so pause it if you need some more time, and I'll see you in a bit. Now that we've coloured in our wonderful rainbow, it's time to add some magic detail. I've got a light blue marker here that I'm going to go around our lovely little clouds to just give them just a little bit more colour. You don't have to add more colour, but you can if you want. I love just adding a little bit of extra to my drawings, because then they're just extra special And you can do whatever you like. You can add colors, you can use pencils, you can use glitter glue, you can put little goggly eyes on the clouds as well if you would like to. That looks really cute. Next, what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to give these guys some little pink cheeks because they're really cute. I love that. How cute are they? They're holding hands. They're pretty cool friends. I next have my amazing outline marker that is really good. I'm going to give it a shake. And what I'm also going to do, I think I'm going to go around this guy because it gives it some extra sparkle. Now this one's a brand new one. I got them from Kmart and I love them. I'm going to go around here. Oh, that is so super cool. Check that out. Hop into Kmart. See if you can find these outline markers. They are truly amazing. Look at it. There's blue outline with silver in the middle. That is super cool. Look at these cute little guys holding hands. That is truly amazing. I love that. Now we can colour in their hands. You don't have to. I'm just going to go over these with black just to colour them in. You can make them any colour you like. I think these guys are probably the cutest clouds I have ever seen. How cute is that? I hope you've had a wonderful time colouring in your rainbow, drawing an amazing rainbow, whether you've got winking clouds, smiling clouds, clouds that have rain coming out of them as well. I've had an amazing time. I hope you stay tuned for more videos from me. Please like and subscribe if you've enjoyed today, and I hope to see you all soon. Happy drawing!